Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're in Premiere with offline clips. Start by selecting a single missing item in the project panel. Right-click and choose Link Media to open the Link Media dialog. In that window, focus on file name and path first, because Premiere prioritizes exact matches. Once done, use the Locate button to point to the folder where file's live now. Make sure to toggle Relink Others automatically if your folder contains a full set, so Premiere can match by name and avoid relinking one by one. Now that you've linked one clip, continue by letting Premiere find the rest. With Link Media open, check Relink Others automatically so clips with identical file names reconnect in bulk. This saves minutes. If timecode or real metadata exists, enable those matchers to confirm correct versions. Once done, point to the parent folder rather than individual files to catch subfolders. If file names changed, use Replace Footage or create a temporary folder with renamed files to mirror original names and rerun. Finish by playing through relinked clips to verify audio and video sync. This confirms correct file versions. If some clips remain offline, make sure external drives are mounted and that folder names match previous paths. Premiere is path sensitive. When things go wrong, clear the media cache and try relinking again, or use Project Manager to consolidate and collect files into a single folder, then relink from that new location. One key tip: if automated relink fails, temporarily rename files to their original names to force exact matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.